Ever wondered why your tea never tastes quite right? It might be your kettle holding you back. Today, we are diving into the top 5 best rated electric kettles that can change your daily routine. Welcome to my channel. Check the links in description to grab your perfect match. At number 5 is Fellow Clyde Electric Kettle. Did you know that most kettles fail at one simple thing? Capacity? That is where the Fellow Clyde Electric Kettle changes the game. With a massive 1.5-liter build, it works like a true powerhouse, making it perfect for tea, French press, cocoa, or even quick ramen nights. Out of the top 5 best rated electric kettles we tested for real-world comfort, Clyde stood out for its blend of style and practicality. The heat-resistant silicone handle feels safe and sturdy, even when the kettle is full, while the drip-free spout saves you from messy mornings. Compared to precision-driven options, Clyde trades exact temperature control for convenience and reliability. If you value capacity, speed, and peace of mind, this is a smart, family-friendly pick. At number 4 is the SSYFEI Electric Kettle. Did you know that water heated just a few degrees too hot can ruin the taste of your tea? That is why the SSYFEI Electric Kettle caught my eye. Out of the top 5 best rated electric kettles we tested for real-world comfort, this one stood out for its precise 7-level temperature control. From delicate green tea at 170 degrees Fahrenheit to a full boil at 212, it makes every drink taste exactly as it should. Compared to simpler models, SSYFEI adds smarter safety features, auto shut-off, boil dry protection, and a cool touch double wall design that feels secure in hand. The 1-liter size heats fast in just 3 to 5 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings. If you want peace of mind, precision, and durability all in one, this kettle feels like a truly smart choice. On number 3 is Touxila Travel Electric Kettle. Ever felt stranded in a hotel room with no way to get a proper cup of tea? That is exactly the problem the Touxila Travel Electric Kettle solves. Out of the top 5 best rated electric kettles we tested for real-world comfort, this one stood out for portability and peace of mind. At just 8.66 inches tall and weighing only 1.1 pounds, it slips into your bag like a travel mug, but with the power of 4 smart temperature presets. Whether you want a gentle 113 degrees Fahrenheit for warm water or a full boil at 212, it has you covered. Compared to bulkier models, Touxila trades size for freedom. If safety, portability, and reliability matter most, this kettle feels like a travel essential. At number 2 is the Viemon Electric Kettle. Did you know some kettles can actually keep water hot without the outside ever feeling warm? That is where the Viemon Electric Kettle instantly stands out. Families often worry about burns when kids rush for hot chocolate, but the double wall, cool touch design solves that problem in the simplest way possible. Safe, sleek, and surprisingly practical. Now, let us talk about performance. With 1,500 watts of power, this kettle brings 1.7 liters to a rolling boil in just 6 minutes. Compare that to smaller travel kettles that take nearly double the time, you feel the relief of speed and convenience instantly. And because it is crafted entirely from food-grade 304 stainless steel, there is no plastic aftertaste, only clean, pure water every time. Of course, no product is flawless. It is bulkier than compact travel models, but for families or daily tea drinkers, that extra size means fewer refills and more peace of mind. If you value safety, durability, and efficiency, this kettle is a smart long-term choice. Now moving to the last one is Chefman Electric Kettle. What if I told you there is a kettle that can give you boiling hot water in just 3 minutes, faster than brewing your morning coffee? That is exactly what the Chefman Electric Kettle delivers, and it feels like a lifesaver for anyone who hates waiting. This glass and stainless design is not just about looks, it is about function. The blue LED lights glow while water heats, adding a touch of elegance and assurance at the same time. Compared to bulkier stainless steel-only models, the Chefman feels sleeker, lighter, and easier to handle. The cordless base makes pouring effortless, while the automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection bring real peace of mind. On the downside, the glass body requires a bit more care than all metal kettles. But for those who value speed, style, and safety in one package, this is a smart investment. If I had to crown a winner, it would be the Chefman Electric Kettle. Why? Because it strikes the perfect balance of speed, style, and safety. Boiling water in just 3 minutes saves you precious time, while the glass and stainless build delivers both elegance and durability. The blue LED glow adds a premium feel, and cordless convenience makes every pour effortless. Compared to bulkier or travel-only options, Chefman gives you a fast, reliable, and stylish solution for everyday use, a smart upgrade worth every penny. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best rated electric kettles. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.